that there is how we rigging up today, boys.
Alrighty guys, so I thought he was joking, but yeah, we just hooked on. Woohoo! Check the size out of that bugger. Alright, guys, we have improved.
So we no longer have that shitty green metal. We currently have got a receiver to a battery, just a small LiPo, and then to a servo. And all it is when you flick this switch on the remote, so we'll have the circle with the line coming down, flick the switch and it drops it. Also got some legs, so we can launch
So we are off the sands as well. So Darius actually has invested. I mean, he's at a 3D printer and he knows what to do with that stuff. So we thought we'll do it the right way. He's made up his own bait releaser now. Oh, we are so stoked. Finally back, perfect weather. Swell's only like 1.5 as well. There is no wind at all today. It's going to be sunny. Drone fishing is just another thing to us. It's just awesome. Always want to do these kind of things as kids, and here we are doing it. Ah, beautiful. Woo! How you going, guys? Well, no luck so far. We're on our last drop at the moment, like 7 or 8 drops so far. We did end up moving up towards the mouth. Whoa, not sick. Wasting the battery on the drone now, and then we're gonna go. We're just waiting on this rod to go off. Dub it up on sinker as well, because the swell has picked up a little bit, but sitting nice with a big chunk of squid. I think it was 300?
300, yeah.
I think that was a 300 drop as well. Alrighty guys, so I thought he was joking, but yeah, we just hooked on. Check this out, man. Finally. Look at the bend. What do you reckon? What do you reckon it is?
No idea.
It could be another stingray, we'll see. Dude, look at the bend in the rod. Yeah, baby. Let's go, man. Look at him planted in there. Should be right here somewhere. Whoa, massive stingray, massive. Massive stingray, have a look at this. Bring it in. Woohoo! Check the size out of that bugger. Whoa! Look at the size of that one. Woo! Big stingray. Look at the barb on him. That's why we don't want to get close. He's got a big barb on his tail. Dude. Good job, mate. Finally. One of a lifetime, baby. We've been all day long for that. It was just a stingray, but that's just, at least it's something. It was good. Biggest stingray we've ever seen and caught so far.
Yeah, he's gone. Look at him.
He's gone. Perfect. So what we've done is we just cut it right near the hook, and these hooks aren't the stainless. These ones like corrode in the next couple of days, a week in the salt water. So no harm to him whatsoever. Beautiful. Even those sinkers come off too. So no sinkers, no nothing. It's beautiful. I feel good about that.
Pretty upset about that.
Yeah.
I wanted my sinkers.
Yeah, those sinkers were expensive, but good job, mate. Good job. Darius has put in so much effort. To see him catch something like that makes me feel good. Oh yeah, baby! Woo! How do you feel, Mr. Fisherman?
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad, eh?
I kept telling you there's a fish. You were, I don't know what you were doing. You thought I was joking.
I was excited, man. To be honest, I got the car packed up and I was sitting in the car just basically depressed. I was like, man, putting a lot of effort in these videos. And yeah, bang, he got on and he's yelling and I'm like, yeah, right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not joined the family. It's free and we're not that bad to watch, so, I mean, hopefully.
I mean, you are, I'm not.
I am, he's not. Alright, thank you so much guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Yo! Peace out.